What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. So we're going to break down Palantir stock because I don't think I made a video on it yesterday or maybe the day before as well. Either way, we're going to break down the charts here, do an update, go over my thoughts and what I'm looking to do. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. And guys, don't forget to follow me on X and on TikTok at Stas Talk Stocks. And you might as well get your free stocks from Moomoo and check out Interactive Brokers. All of those links are down below. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. Even though Palantir stock had a red day today of 2 cents, I mean, not the end of the world, but it did have a red day. The bulls are still in charge. And let me show you why here, guys. Do you see what we have on this 5-day, 5-minute chart? Do you see what I'm seeing? This is an ascending triangle. Let's just get right into it, guys. This is an ascending triangle on PLTR, which is clear as day. Which, is that a bearish pattern? No, guys. It's a bullish pattern. Very bullish pattern at that. You guys can see clearly we have higher lows being made. One right here at $20.40. Boom, we hit one right here at $20.75. Boom, another one right here at $21.20. And today we made another one in the morning at $21.50 and one right before close or right at close at $21.65, which you guys can see right here, right? So clearly higher lows have been made into the resistance of around $21.90 to $22 per share, right? Which you guys can see we held that, or excuse me, we got rejected there today at about $21.90, $22 yesterday in the morning and the day before that, which was on what day is that? Geez, Tuesday, right? Today's Thursday. I'm running out of, or not running out, but I'm confusing what day it is, guys. Geez. But yeah. Clear ascending triangle, clear as day here on PLTR. And if we take out that 22 mark, guys, let me set my alert there right now. This could be taken off like no other in the short term, and we could be getting that leg up. If you guys didn't know, that's how an ascending triangle, if it plays out textbook beautifully, right? That's how it plays out. We get the breakout, and who knows where we're going to go from there, right? So this looks really good on the 5-day, 5-minute. All my opinion, by the way, guys. Please do your own research. I'm not telling you what to do here, but I am long. Full disclosure, I am long PLTR here. But yeah, nice chart on the 5-day. Let me pull the 10-day up and show you guys. This looks even better, right? This looks even better and builds on top of the case that we just made for that ascending triangle on the 5-day. Look at this. We have an inverse head and shoulders in the making on this 30-minute chart. You guys can see here, left shoulder, boom. We got the head right here. You guys see the head, boom. Come on. There we go. And then we have the right shoulder right here, which, going back to that ascending triangle on the 5-day, 5-minute, if we get that to play out, we take out $22 per share. This could be ripping like no other. Like I said, this inverse head and shoulders, if it were to play out, that could be where we start moving towards, the mid-20s again, high 20s again, where we get, another big push. That'd be ideal for the, again, ascending triangle and for the inverse head and shoulders. But we're not seeing the full breakout yet, so don't get too excited, guys. Don't get too ahead of yourselves here. But it is something that you got to watch out, and I'm watching out for here moving forward. So that's the 30-minute chart. On the 20-day chart, you guys can see pretty much the same thing. Inverse head and shoulders, ascending triangle, and now we're pretty much sandwiched between, on this hourly chart, the 180 and the 50 moving averages. So let's see, guys, if we take that point out, where could we be going in the short term? Well, let me draw some key levels out here. This spot where we hit $23, that was resistance. It looks like end of April, right? Early May. If that were to break, we could be going up to about $23.65-ish. That was the high, it looks like, here on the 3rd of May. If that were to break, again, mid-high 20s is where we could be going. So I'm loving the way PLTR is looking right now. What do you guys think, by the way? Let me know in the comments down below. And by the way, hit the like button while you're at it and make sure to subscribe if you're watching here on YouTube. We're trying to get the 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And guys, I can taste it, baby. I can taste it. We're almost there. Let's keep pushing. I appreciate you all for tuning in. as always. And one thing worth mentioning, another thing worth mentioning on PLTR here is if I get the channel tool out, the handy dandy channel tool, you guys can see right here, boom, we're still obviously in the downwards channel. And it looks like for us to get out of this, we got to break above, let's say $22.50, $23, honestly above $24. But yeah, it's something worth watching, worth looking at here. And there could be some upside, there could be a chance to trade this thing in, in this channel, right, in this window right here. But for this to fully break out, by the looks of it, on this 4-hour time frame, we're going to have to get out of that channel, right? 24, 25 bucks, which time will tell, guys. Time will tell. And full disclosure, like I said, I'm long PLTR. I've been buying it post earnings, and I'm planning on buying it even more, moving forward here. So what are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments, guys. And let's quickly run through some other stocks that I'm looking at here before we do wrap up this video. So I'm sure you guys heard, maybe not, but Michael Burry is buying more Chinese stocks, which he's not really an investor, a long-term investor, right? He's more of a short-term to mid-term trader. I don't know what you want to call him, but this guy's cycling in and out of stocks like he's freaking Lance Armstrong, guys, all right? He's getting in and out of stocks. It's insane. So I think based on the 13F that Scion Asset Management just released, he added like 160,000 shares of JD.com, essentially doubling up his position. Not quite, but I think an 80% increase of his position. So JD's been crushing it, no doubt. And this is one that we called out, not to toot my own horn, but before we got word, Burry's in, and probably some other super investors for that matter, before we got word of that, we called it out at about 28 bucks, right? When it was right here, at that multi-month resistance, we called out the ascending triangle, and look, it played out. This is exactly how an ascending triangle breakout looks, and it looks amazing, right? And for all we know, guys, keep in mind, when it comes to 13F filings with Burry, right, Buffett, whatever, these are the moves that these super investors made in the last 45 to 90 days, right? So it doesn't mean that they're still in these stocks. For all we know, they could already be out. I mean, look, Burry's a trader. We know that. For all we know, he could have bought JD 45 days ago, a month ago at 28 bucks. Now it's in the mid-30s. He's probably already out. I'd bet some money that he's already out, or at least he trimmed some of it, right, on this breakout. So JD's breaking out, no doubt about it. And Alibaba is also breaking out, and the same thing applies there. I mean, look, I wouldn't be surprised if Burry bought in the mid-70s, whatever, high 70s. It broke out. Now he's selling. Maybe he's already out of Alibaba for all we know, right? So keep your eyes on those Chinese stocks. And I'll make a video probably over the weekend going over Burry and Buffett's 13F filing. So make sure you guys subscribe, follow along for more to see that content. And let me see what other stocks moved today, guys. Then we'll wrap up the video very quickly. It looks like Intel ended up seeing a decent move, INTC, but man, this thing is still heavily beaten down. Oh my goodness, man. This looks very rough on the charts. Let's see. Google had a decent day, 0.9% green day. Looks like that's starting to break out again to all-time highs. Tesla, which I haven't covered in a while, that moved a bit today. Still looking pretty crappy on the charts, to be honest. So what do you guys think? I'll wrap it up here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Of course, subscribe. And check out my Patreon if you guys want to see me build out my $100 per week portfolio. All the moves, full transparency, all my returns are being posted on Patreon, guys, plus more. Check the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon or check out the QR code right here. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you guys later.